In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Gumroad to card. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar. Here you will see all the products available in your store. Now select the product you want to add to your card website. After opening the product page, click Share and copy the Buy button embed code or the product link. Next, open Card and log in to your account. Open the website or landing page where you want to display your Gumroad product. Now, add an embed element, button element, or text element to the page depending on how you want the product to appear. Paste the Gumroad embed code or product link into the element. After that, customize the button text if needed, such as Buy Now, Download Here, or Get Access. Once everything looks good, click Publish to update your card website. Now visitors can purchase your Gumroad product directly from your card landing page without leaving your website. For better conversions, you can place the Buy button near the top of the page, add product images, testimonials, or customer reviews on the same landing page. You should also test the checkout flow on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything works correctly. And that's how to connect Gumroad to card. Thanks for watching and goodbye.